Picture yourself in the 2021 Hyundai Tucson. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This upscale Tucson crossover is ready to make even the most routine errands feel enjoyable. Its meticulous quality of construction, standard touchscreen infotainment and driver assistance features, European sensibility, and smooth, refined ride infuse every journey with confidence and satisfaction. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, power liftgate, heated mirrors. Get the quality and safety you deserve when you take the wheel of this Tucson. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.